Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Asu, Droid. First, you'll need to download the application, ensuring your device meets the necessary requirements for smooth performance. Once installed, navigate through the main menu to explore various game modes and customize your settings. This initial setup is crucial for a great experience, allowing you to quickly jump into the rhythm-based action and begin your journey with this exciting mobile game. Asu, Droid gameplay revolves around interacting with beatmap elements. You'll encounter hit circles, which require a precise tap as the approach circle shrinks. Sliders demand you hold down and follow their path until the end. Spinners need rapid rotation to fill a meter within a set time. Mastering these three core mechanics is essential for achieving high scores and enjoying the rhythmic challenges presented in each song. To optimize your Asu, Droid experience, delve into the settings. Adjust the hit sound volume and background dim to enhance clarity. You can modify the approach rate and overall difficulty to match your skill level perfectly. Experiment with different skins and cursor sizes for visual comfort. Crucially, calibrate your offset to synchronize audio and visual cues, ensuring every tap feels perfectly in time with the music. Improving your Asu, Droid skills takes practice and dedication. Begin with easier beat maps to build a strong foundation in rhythm and timing. Gradually increase the difficulty as your accuracy and speed develop. Utilize the dedicated practice mode to repeatedly tackle challenging sections until they become second nature. Watching replays of top players can also provide valuable insights into advanced techniques and strategies, helping you climb the leaderboards.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.